This is the Categories tab, which is where students and yourselves can keep your portfolio organized across course. Again, all you are is in the Categories tab. You click on Edit, and you can start adding and modifying categories. So if I want to do it per class, I can do classes like this. Just hit New. If I want to add another main category, I add it under here. And if I want to add a subcategory, you can do that almost like a folder structure. So in Class A, if I want to do, Project 1, have its own separate spot, Project 2, etc., etc. This is also where students can come and edit the category. So if they've created a category and they want to get rid of it or change it, all they do is click on that edit button. You can change it. Or you can hit the X's to delete. And once they're done, you click on End Editing, and that's how it will look like, mostly like an outline. And this is important because once you get to this next tab in this next video, we're talking about My Portfolio. We're going to be talking about how you can classify these things. So whenever students bring things into the portfolio, they can classify them into a certain category. So you want to do the categories first. You want to make sure that they set that up first and get their structure in place. Now, one other thing that's kind of cool about Exabis is it's cross-course. So it's not just for this one course. If I head back to my home and I go back to any other course that has the Exabis block and I click into the Exabis portfolio, you'll see exactly the same screen. I'm heading there now. Hopefully Moodle will catch up with me. I'm going to go into a different course, go into Virtual STEM Professional Development, come down to Exabis, which is right here. Click on My Portfolio and you'll see that it's the same thing. So when they're setting up these categories, keep that in mind. If you're going to do this cross-course or they're going to use this in more than one course, they may want to create these different courses as main categories. Alright, so that is the Categories tab. In the next video, we'll talk about adding things to the actual portfolio.